Photoshop regular shape layered paint so here paint here change the color of the foreground shape so still I will see the other there is a shape using a different structure I will make an adjustment there so here we are in a shape so here